Hi, I have an above ground pool with a Pentair ST35 filter system. My problem is I'm losing pressure going into the pool and my pressure gauge goes up to 20. I replace the filter grids, clean the pump and outlet hoses all the same. I open and wash out the filter, put it back together, run the pump, fill the DE in. It runs great for 30 minutes to an hour, and then the pool pressure fades out and the tank gauge goes up. I tried everything I could think of. What do you think the problem could be?
Well, if you've replaced the grids, I'm not sure that I have a good answer for you. My initial thought was if you're cleaning the grids out, what people often do is spray the grid with water and a hose, and all it does is impregnate that DE into the grid and stop the grid up. If you've in fact replaced them, this wouldn't be the case, but if you only cleaned them, what I would suggest doing is getting some muriatic acid and mixing it in water and soaking those grids overnight and then putting it back together. Because the pressure is going up in the tank, the restriction is in the tank. If you didn't give me that part of it and you just said my pump is running and the pressure coming out is decreasing and we're not getting as much flow, I would have looked at some potential pipe problems or pump problems. But with this, it's clearly restricting after the pump, which means that likely there's something wrong in the grids themselves. If you've replaced them already, there's always a chance you got a faulty set, or your DE could be a problem as well. Maybe, and usually that's a pretty consistent product, but the only thing that I can think of it's doing is it's packing those grids too tightly. You may want to use a little less DE. Maybe you're over DEing it, and that's coating those grids to the point where water can't get through. But short of that, good luck. I don't know what else to tell you.